If you need a car for off-campus trips, Zipcar is your sustainable on-demand solution. Students receive a discounted membership. To sign up, visit zipcar.com/universities and register with your SJSU email.
Having access to the Zipcar has definitely made life so much easier, especially as a student. Living down south in Southern California, you had to drive around all around. You need to have your car, but here, I don't need to bring my car. I can reserve it for cheap to go get my groceries, go with a couple buddies, go to San Francisco, Santa Cruz. Like honestly, this definitely is saving me a lot of money having access to this.
If you ever need help finding the best route to campus or other services such as carpooling, bike share, or bicycle parking, talk to any of the TS staff at our front desk located in the Student Union.